What is that? Oh, okay. Nick says, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now before you forget. Hey everyone, welcome to Parenting Parrots. I'm here today parrot sitting with Juju, the Quaker parrot. She's also known as a mock parakeet. Juju is 6 years old. She'll be 7 in October, and we have been watching her for about 2 weeks now, and we have 2 more weeks to go with her before her owner will be taking her back. So this is her little travel cage that she came in, and we keep it open for most of the day since it's so small. So she comes out once in the morning, and then it stays open until nighttime. I don't know how she's going to react to the camera, but we'll see. So Juju's schedule is she gets up 8 o'clock, I uncover her, 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. she gets covered. So at 8 o'clock when she wakes up, I give her a toast with her milk thistle. Because as you know, Quaker parrots are known for the fatty liver disease. So she gets this on her bread, on her toast. And then she eats that. She gets some fruit that is then removed by 2 p.m. And she'll have her night food at about 6, which is usually rice and beans. And of course she has her pellets that are in her cage all day, which is there. And that's her fruit blend supreme. And she also gets, which I'll give her now to see if it'll make her a little bit more nicer. She's a really good bird, but Juju, come. She gets, I think they're called Abby cakes. I don't give my birds them, but Juju, come. Come here. Good girl. Good girl, Juju. So Juju hasn't been target trained or anything like that. Her praise and reward for any training that she does with her owner has been praise and reward. Her treat for any training has been a praise and snuggles and kisses. But because I don't have that relationship with her, I'm going to try and train her with safflower seeds. So follow us for the next 2 weeks. We'll have her. So I'll be trying to take as much video footage as I can. And I'll be training her to touch the stick, turn around, you know, all the basic training that I believe every parrot should know. But yeah, this is Juju, guys. Almost 7 years old. She is a beauty. I believe her owner says she's a cobalt blue. Correct me if I'm wrong. I could be saying that wrong. I change her cage every 3 days. Her bottom, her newspaper. Once a week, I just take the whole entire cage and throw it in the tub with hot water to wash down all the perches and everything. And when she's out and she's on top of her cage, I remove her water bowl. This is her water bowl. I remove it because I don't want her pooping in her water. But Juju has been a doll to have around. We absolutely adore her. She is wonderful. And as we know, birds can be messy. So as you see, she's eating some and some's hitting the floor, but that's okay. I think some's hitting the counter too. So we call her Juju, but her real name is Juliet. Like Romeo and Juliet. What, yum yums? Oh, and she gets a night snack also. Juju, want yum yums? And Juju's currently been weighing for the last 2 weeks, 83 grams every day. So stay tuned to see more of Juju for a little bit. No night-night, Juju? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, there you go. She said, what you doing? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Follow us on www.parentingparrots.com. And remember that being a parrot owner is not about being a pet owner. It's about being a parent to a toddler in parrot form. Ciao, guys.